Khublei pi baro syakathup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi kilong. Shanala siat ke oto bat kelak hasyen unongnya ha ke jingten ra katrok. Syem menta san spa ngut ki Samla ha ke leadership training service. Kemenlang uba Mirulbon ha ke Jubilee rupa ke Nawa. Bat Ratnam champion ke Sing Samla Parish Maubri ha ke sports SACYM Zone 7. Bat mentangin pa syiki Khubor bakam dunia. Kawe ke aksiden ke belajar ha ke janmiet kat kendai terik Risaw unongnya auto rickshaw la no ela ke jing em. Haba ke trok ke bala penhersted ke letenra ya ka bat siet chanala hadu bu unongnya ulayap hasyen bat uwe pat ulamen saujur. Kini ke aksiden geleja Surokbat National Highway 6 Hashnong Umling Narang Riboy District. Karkum ke Khubor Balayolum, kini ke aksiden geleja ke Por Lashiteng Janmit, ha ke bakatrok ke badan yo registration number AS0 SC Pranot Arsan, kabelanya de Unida Jan Niang Life Science Nem Kerta na West Jante Hills, katba udang wan na Gohati ban kiu sa Shillong. Maria poi ha ketika jaka kala tenra Nadine jong kini ke auto rickshaw ka badan yo registration number ML Shipaudi not R not Rio balanya du Sibudi South Post Nem Kerta Basyong Basa Hatanda Bernihat Riboy District. Kini ke auto rickshaw kala seat Shanala kat ba katrok kala kala lendang hapedeng surang. Hakini ke jingja unongnya jong ke auto ulah klat no bat urofukul Islam arpunyaus nem kerta ubana dubri Asam ubasyong ha ke auto rickshaw ulah mensaw bat lakit ye u syakajaka ajing sumar hanong po. Unongnya ia kini ke trok uklem mensaw bat ulah bua jabhor. Kipulit na nong po kilawan marmar ban tokit bat kila shimti yakini kikali. Ke Youth Ministry Sacred Heart Theological College Maulai ringkat ke jingitrelang ke International Leadership Training Service Association kala pelong ya ke annual teen Dectus Leadership Conclave ha ke kat kendai terik Risaw arjar arpusan. Hakini ke sengi lawan ban shimenta de ki kena skul kumbasan spangut na ki skul bapher ki badan hanong ba Shillong. Hakini ke Jylla lawan ban ai jing hikai ki kena school de subdivision police officer seorang civil subdivision ba penhunlang manix aim MPS kum nu ban kiar ne ki jingdi ke besniu kum ubiri secret bat kamtam yu drog ubekta ekakwat ke khia bat kum juru ya ki imlang salang. Hakini ke Jylla layadon lang u Colonel Dazi Anthony administrative officer 41 Meghalaya Battalion NCC ubelalong kum usembut kongsan. Ha ke jingadon ringkat lang u Reverend Padar Pendelang Konglat Youth Director Sacred Heart Theological College Kibrodar bat kiwe.
Who was a very studious boy. He was good in his studies. He was doing well. And somewhere, somehow, he got into drugs. He became an addict. And it really disturbed him. He was not normal anymore. He was always craving for drugs. He always wants money to buy drugs, this, that. He would do anything. He would do anything just to get money to buy drugs. He would steal from his own house. He would steal from his relative's house. He would steal from his friend's house. So later on what happened? The family started to abandon him. The relatives did not want to be near him. Friends avoided him. So he was left all alone. But the hearts of the parents could not leave the child. They could not leave the child all by himself. They wanted to take care of him. He had become so addicted that he could not recognize his own mother or his own father. Whenever he sees anyone, he thinks that he is another addict. So he would always want something from them. But the only thing that the parents could do is cry. Is cry. For a parent to cry for their own children because of the substance that he has been abusing himself with, it's very sad. You know, then what happened is, then this boy, he committed a lot of unwanted things. He committed theft. He robbed people. He used to beat up people and rob them. So many things. There was once a man when I had gone for this kind of program in one of the villages in Sora. You know, when he spoke to the school children, he said, anything that you do without thanking God or praying, that is bad. In Khasi, he said, so you should understand that anything that you do without praying, that is bad. Now I come, what is the most dangerous things that is happening in the world, in our society, in our midst? It is the effect of drugs. If a person is addicted to any kind of drugs, that person, it's difficult for him to come back to normalcy. I'm telling you the truth. Recently, I think all of us are aware, there was a war which broke out between Russia and Ukraine, right? How many of you are aware about that? I think all of you. What happened during that war? It is still going on. You know, houses were bombed, people were killed, hospitals were bombed, the roads were bombed, buildings were bombed, everything was destroyed. But eventually when the war gets over, all those things will be reconstructed again beautifully. Beautifully, the churches, the hospitals, the houses, the structures, different structures, all those will be built and made much more beautiful.
Kinongelam bat kidkhot Kanongpo Area Women Welfare Association nawa kakinhon Raymond Ngobha kilongkmi haka arpo terik Risaw da kaminsim jong kajingkemen gilaraki ka silver jubilee lani ka jubilee rupa da ka baot ngobha lang yu kek kum kadak jong kajingkemen. Hakini kesngi lawan ban shimintalang hakini kejingle ekmen da uba Mirrol Bonds MLA kumukongsan ha kejingidon lang uba Balajit Rani ex MDC ba Rangansai Makdo kong Meristela Marai President Kanawa ba Sylvester Minsong Rangbashnong Kanongpo Samla Lumlang Shilla President Sing Samla Nongpo lembat kiriu rang ba kenikathan. Kumban Pinkan Mau, ya Kanongpo Area Women Welfare Association, la Seng House Nem Arhajar. Bat hagajinya lenti jong kani kenhon menta arpusan snem kalale shibun ki kam na kabenta ke imlang kasalang na du ki jing ai jing hikai kumno ban sengkam sengjam ki jing hikai banyadai ki khulung khna bat kapakong san bakani ka kenhon kala yeng scam halor kanong rim ban Khubor ye ki longkmi ban kentiu ye ki hebrit bat bantay ya kalaway jong kajat banrio.
Angin hai saya tin de dongli. Angin idan lang ba dan orang Kristen dan orang Kristen dan di orang Hindu dan Muslim dan orang ini kan. Ingin agar India kapan orang Madlut mencari hadirin ke ini kita. Kejingrat ni yang jubilee kedina Khubor mandai. Kalau disim lagi tu Khubor. Hidupkan mau hidup ke dari dunia identiti. Jom mau jam di bawah. Jubilee hidup ke hari ini dah pada absen stem. Tim kerja kita silver jubilee. Kejingrat ke Santos yang golden jubilee. Kejingrat ke Mirrol stem ke diamond jubilee. Ingratnya penyung sansnya untuk platinum jubilee. Ingratnya ucis pasnya centenary. Maklum kata. Begini kini mau jam, kiba ni mau, apa ni kerjaan din yang dilihat di jom benar. Khuborjylla kami ini kejungi, ni ada pendapat bosnya, kejelasan ini. Ila Roy, Milaya, dengan Q, lagi bentar berkaya. Dari Bohoi District kami ini kejungi, ila ada pendapat pesan Islam ada teman. Ila rakyat sudah berjumpa yang dari Bohoi District, kami ini mati, kami ini aktual di sini. Ikan hun kiseng berkaya. Ila anda kiseng ulang, ila anda balang, ila anda ikan hun berkaya, ila anda school, ila jurake, ya kini di Maumer berkaya. Mendakas ni dan hak ke Khubor ke Khuborkhasi, hukum Benongko Area Welfare Association, biasa hilang dia kemenang. Ya, kejengga ratusan Islam yang juga NEHU. Nadu berkat hendai teritu Oktober, Islam ajar. Ya kabar kastam, ya dari ketentuan. Umbala akan sungguh kani ke association, lani kani ke ketentuan. Kadai kebala judan bentang, hagi bentang, kibot care. Nagabanta bantuan kita, pahalon ketu kemudu kebakti kita, kabakan sapang ke empower women, uplift children and build the future. By advisor di dalam. Abang iphaiin ya kani ka mudu kejungki, kani kejungkimu kejungki. Kakirau syai, ya kejung frenkam kejungki, kani por ke belajar.
Kasing Samla Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement SACYM Zone 7 kalapulong ye ke annual sports meet arjar arpusan ha umsning parish halor ki kintin phira ki Samla balului hathap niang uji sukris kim tere ye udrok HIV bat banchong kurim dang khna rit karta. Pure youth guided by Christ say no to drugs, HIV and early marriage. Hakani ke Lumpung Yakob Yelekai lawan ban Shimenta da Santli ki parish ki bahap ke zone 7 kita kilong ke Solat parish, Sning parish, Maubri parish, Maulasnai parish bat ke Umbir parish. Lepli kini ke Lumpung Dr. David Lingdo, President UPF Zonal Youth Director, ha ke Jingedon lang Reverend Padar Pius Shadap Parish Priest, Samla Rafael Singkli President SACYM Zone 7. Bat usketri Samla Ribor Mautho. Kinong job hagajing Yakob babunjat kilong, ya kapawar Samla Shining Nong Room na Umbir Parish bat ubandri Kuparlingdo na Sning Parish. Poetry writing, Ibormiki Paul Sun na Umbir Parish bat Deshisha Supai na Maubri Parish. Arm wrestling girls Samla Kordalin Malnyang na Maubri Parish bat Bala Risha Sujay na Maulasnai Parish. Arm wrestling boys Tabor Nongbet na Sning Parish. Rinis Pariat na Maulasnai Parish, Tug of War Girls, Nongjob na Maubri Parish, winner but Maulasnai Parish ki runners up, Basketball Boys, Maubri Parish ki Nongjob, Sning Parish ki runners up, Basketball Girls, Umbir Parish ki Nongjob but Maubri Parish ki layo ika runners up, Football Boys ki Bajob ka Maubri Parish but ki bawan runners up ka Maulasnai Parish. Bat ia ke champion jong usnem arjar arpusan lara da ke Maubri Parish. Ia kini ke sports meet lapan hak perda do Dr. Celestin Lingdo, MLA ke Sning constituency, ha ke bola ai ke kintin sneng ya barok ke Samla ban kiar borbor na gijing snew ha ke jing kamtam ha kini ke bor bekordor ha ke jing long Samla jongki. Kinongkit kam jong ke SACYM Central Body Ru kilawan ban pensingan lang ha kini ke sengi penwai.
Umbir Parish.
Ready? 1, 2.
Bak Krishan, ngidon i bak Niki, ngidon i Presiden jongka zone, bak Rafael, ngidon i Baduk Min, ngai kublai baru kinong kit kam jongka zone, bat kumjuru kinong kit kam nak bawa nak Paris beper. Habangi keren ya ka jingtei ya kari, ka imlang salang, kabagaksin paring gaong ka nation building, ngikin mau baik tang ya ka parliament, bat ya ka assembly, bat district council. Kiban tauan, kiban penbahay ka imlang salang, kadai kumta se. Nga ngaong kamday tang hangta. Kadai ru haki Paris beper, ki zone beper, habangi wan lang kumne, ngia kenduk krui, ngia lekai football, kiba tap gol, gila tap, kibom la aman tap, kidon kibom la aman tap. Handre ke basno tenat kalong ba kinong Christian ki klem ya kru mo. Ki klem ya syok, ki klem ya dat. Balai ngilong ki balasai. Lahikai yang ngi ban burom ya kiwe. Ke bantai ya kari, bantai ke imlang salang ke jongi kamdei tangha parlimen, kamdei tangha assembly. Kadei ha ki grup ki baper ke bangidon. Ladanginang ban burom iwe. Kata kadei ka jingtei ya ke imlang salang. Dengan ongkwa ban keren cerong, ngakit bok kiruyang, bat ngai kublai kitu ki balajok, ngai kublai ru ya kitu ki baklen poi syakatong. Namar balai, next year, kitu ki baklen poi syakatong, hisdang omdei kum ki losers, handrei kum ki nongyele kai ki baladon ke experience. Mo? Mentau snem let's say if you want first runners up, lani second runners up, ha usnem manuan kata ke experience kan ai jingshai bat kan yalam len TV. Tengah kit bok kiruyang singisa jain ladep declare bahkan sadon ka final games ha Shillong. Tengah tip kat nangut kiban laik kat nangut kiban syong hasnong te henrei ngakentu. Ya baro kibadon kalat kalenti ban laik. Bat kibadon ka por laik ban pensingai. Habis pipoy ha ka grup ka bahe. Hasor Shillong, ha diocese ka interaction lane ka jing kenduk lang para Samla kata hi ka ai ka jing singai ka penilenti bat kayalam yangi kumno banias no lang. Ka tim jong pi ka long basno tunat. Te henrei teng bangan suong baik say no to drugs, say no to sungo ko ba penkin mau si penkin mau yupi si pango drugs. Nga sukwa ba nong yupi to ya imba imiak kiar na kabasniw. Kulay siya ajar mo.
Pat dakini ki Khubor ngila poin syakabakut tarah do pengendai syambiang kublai shibon.